I'm going to be showing you how to install HSBC Bank app on your Android phone. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So what you need is the Play Store app. So as you can see, I'm using an iPhone, but the only difference here in all of these steps is the name of the app, that is Play Store. So instead of App Store right over here, you need to go to Play Store. Let's pretend this is Play Store, and you just need to tap on the search button and search for HSBC Bank. And tap on search, and now just find one of the HSBC Bank that you want to install. It has lots of them. You have the UK one, US, UAE, India, Vietnam, and many more. So it's completely up to you which you want to download, depending on the country you're from, and there you go. That's how easy it is. That's how you install HSBC Bank app in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video.